Hey you! How's it going, everybody? Welcome. Alright guys, I'm a little late. Just bear with me, guys. Just give me a few minutes. I'll be with you guys. Thank you so much once again for being here on a beautiful day. Beautiful Thursday afternoon, guys. Thank you for being here. What is going on, everybody? What is going on? Kokochin in the house. Julian in the house as well. Sultan Sandik. Adam99. Kazoo Max in the house. What is going on, guys? Brave They. Organic. Dijuan. What is up? What is up, everybody? Welcome. Alright, just give me 1 minute. Just got in here. I had to reboot my computer. You know, all this fun stuff. Alright, guys. Once again, we are back here again. 40. So, guys, what's going on with the market? What is going on, everybody? What is going on? So we do have a peace deal. The PC data came out this morning. It came a little sticky as well, but I don't know. It came a little sticky. It wasn't great, right? And yet we found a way to, I think, get a balance to the market this morning. And then the peace deal kind of really pushed the market to the upside. What a crazy market, guys! What a crazy market. Looks like a geopolitical tension it's now off the table. I guess that's what it is. CPE was in line. I think there was a, if you just break it down a micro level, I think there were certain key components in that PC data that wasn't as okay. Anyways, the bond yields still kind of murky too. So what are we kind of expecting to see here tonight? We are so up there now. Hold on once again. Let me just be right back with you. Just give me 1 minute, guys. I'll be right back. Here.
하지만 하락했다 올라오면은 제 가격이 안 올라온 거 아시죠? 예를 들면 10% 하락했다가 10%
Okay, let's get it ready now. All right, how's it going? The blonde dog, DAP. To Gulis in the house. Keep poker. What is going on, guys? All right, so what are we expecting from the market today? What are we gonna do today, guys? Where's my trade day? Not trade day. Trading view. Okay, so let's take a look and see what the Bitcoin is. The Bitcoin's kind of pulling back. Wow, I didn't realize Bitcoin's down into the $73,000. That is no bueno, guys. The Bitcoin's pulling back 73, and yet the market's ripping here to the upside. Take a look at the SPY here. Guys, man, the SPY all the way. Take a look at the NQ. Wow, man. I don't know, like, this thing is so hard to kind of gauge where it's gonna go now. I hate it so much, guys. I don't like this market, to be honest. I mean, I understand it's great if we're at 30,000. I see we probably end up being at 20 million dollar by the time we get to tomorrow, hopefully, maybe. But honestly, oh man, I don't know. It's crazy. It's so crazy, guys. I mean, look at this. We are into the 30,300 area. And so, I mean, I am happy, right? I'm happy in a way. It's hopefully making a lot of people great, making a lot of money, which is great. But I don't know if this is healthy, though. I just kind of feel like maybe this is gonna give us that big, massive pullback at some point. And I wonder if that's really going to be even a correction territory, if you will. So we'll find out. For now, the market is still at denial. The market always finding ways to get a bounce on a key level support. We were kind of spot on last night, guys. We were kind of spot on. Last night we said we may potentially look for another leg to the downside. We actually ended up getting a retest of that low, which is beautiful. We got a bounce off that 750 area, and we just kept going all the way right till the very end of the day today. So 750, that's 300 points. That's about 600 points. We got a bounce. So 600 points, guys. New month will get correction, and summer months are coming slower markets. I hope we need to get a correction into this 27,000 Fisher trades. Yo, 27,000. I don't know about that. Hey, you know what? We can make calls. We can say 25, 24, but I mean, so far the market has been just absolutely strong, right? Absolutely strong. So until we get such breaks, we are going to continue trying to long in this market, guys. I think that's really all we can do, because the more we kind of think about, okay, well, I think we're gonna get a pullback, maybe tomorrow. I think we are just continuously going to get into a lot of trouble. So I'm gonna try to long on a pullbacks, and that's what I'm gonna try to do. And now coming here, we had a bit of a, what do you call this? Well, it's bullish, right? It's still bullish. We got a nice beautiful bounce off that 244, kept going to the upside, and we kind of chopped through the rest of the day. We're kind of sitting at 300 area now. So I wouldn't be surprised if we, even if we end up getting a little pullback here, maybe we try to get a bounce and we try to retest the high, which would be right up there as well, right? So I'm going to be looking for ultimately, that 379, right? And that was the, previous all-time high. So maybe we get a little bit of a profit-taking pullback here right at the start, or we have a gap to the upside. I'm not sure what it's going to be. But either ways, I'm going to look for minor pullbacks to try to go long, and smaller size so I can actually scale into my trade just in case we end up getting a deeper pullback in the market. The Bitcoin's kind of really disconnected, right? The Bitcoin down to 73,000 area. So we'll leave that as is. So that's what I'm going to try to do, guys, coming into today. What am I going to be trading here? What am I gonna be trading here? I probably would want to trade. What trade? All right, we'll try to trade something else. We'll try to trade take profit trader here. Okay, I've got a. So I tried today. I tried to get my pro account above the buffer so I can actually request a payout, but I ended up losing. I was only about $100 away, and then I ended up losing a few $100. I ended up getting it down to like $4,000. So it's kind of, well, that's what happens when you. Well, I wasn't trying to be greedy. All I was trying to do was just try to get above the buffer. I just couldn't really do it. Anyways, I tried. It didn't work out. So we're gonna be looking. Well, let's take a look at this market cash for now. Okay, so we got this Fibonacci here. So like I said again, I think we're gonna keep an eye on this market. We're gonna be looking for that 200 area to be that support. Maybe we end up pulling back in that zone. Sorry, no, I lied. It would probably be 230. So we're gonna be looking at 230. 295 as well to be that minor little support area. Okay, so we got about 40 seconds to go, guys. Good luck, everybody, if you guys are trading here today. Double top forming, McLovin. What is going on, brother? Julian in the house. Wow, well past 150K. Let's go, baby. Tiger, what's up? Yo, what's up, brother? What's up? Dr. Berto, thank you for being here, guys. Thank you. I think this month will be full green. Next month, full red. So full green this month and full red next month. And what about in the month of July? Full green again? Alfred, what is going on, man? This summer, they are lowering the PDT rule from 25K for 2K. You know, by the way, that PDT rule does not apply to Canadians, right? It's only in the US, by the way. Anyways, FYI. So there will probably be more people trading this summer. Yeah. It's hot outside. Just stay at home and keep trading. I think that's what it is going to be. Anyways, John 4416. What is going on? RSI heading down. Okay. You passed the 150. Let's go. Oh, you pass and you blow the next day. Oh, come on. Kazumax. I have a lot more confidence in you. Try to last it for about 30 days. Anyways, guys, the market is open now. Wow. Gotta get my ninja stuff on right now. Once again. One second, guys. All right, the market is open. We are getting a nice little bounce to the upside. Incredible, right? I mean, this is absolutely incredible. Look at that. Woo, baby. What am I gonna do? I'm going to try to long on a pullback, and that's what I'm going to try to do. We got above this key level here. Well, it's not a key level, but I mean, just a little minor resistance. We pierced through that. We're kind of above that 336. We could easily end up getting a pullback. So I'm not going to get surprised, but it almost kind of feels like we may try to kiss the previous all-time high before we get some kind of a pullback. I think that's what it's trying to do. At 379 is where we're at, right? 379 is the previous all-time high. Are we going to do it again? Globex Asia? Globex Asia is going to do it again, guys. We're going to hit the all-time high again. Brand new all-time high. That's what it's going to be. All right, let's draw our beautiful trend line here as well. Oh, my dear. Globex. Come on, Globex. All right, this is going to be... Things are bullish. So I'm going to be looking to try to long on a pullback, and that's what I'm going to try to do here. All right, so keep an eye on this. Ascending wedge. This is bullish. Yeah. All right, so we'll keep an eye. All right, well, you got to kind of zoom in to this. Hold on a second. I can't see the candle. That's a problem. Hold on. How do I see? All right, there we go. Get a little confused. Oh my god, what am I gonna do? All right, we'll try that. Okay. Sorry. Are you gonna short it at all-time high? No, I would prefer to see a little pullback here. down into the low 300s and maybe try to long from there, right? And the might stop is going to be in that 300 area as well. Because this market is clear either in the 40,000 hard cash to trade. Yeah. I mean, honestly, I'm not going to try to overcomplicate. But looks like we're trying to break to the upside before we start to get a pullback, and that's what it's trying to do. Which is fine by me, but I mean, hey. Interesting. Okay, so it's not pulling back. We're at 350 area. Thank you, everybody. Umbrella Aeronaut. A little every day from you guys here at the channel. Oh, bro, man. Umbra Aeronaut. Hey, bro, man. You changed your nickname, so I couldn't recognize you. Thank you, bro, man. Thank you for your kind words, man. Thank you so much, everybody. Look at Dell. Well, I don't want to look. Wait, maybe it's up 20 million points, maybe. Oh, DJT is making us rich. I don't know. I don't know. Everything is up, so. Thank you, guys. You guys make my day. All I want to do right now is I'm going to try to see if I can get close to passing on this Take Profit Trader account. And then hopefully we can get to... Maybe I want to see if I can actually trade my pro account too tonight. All right, so let's now keep an eye on this. Man, absolutely no pullback at all, right? So what I'm going to do, man... Looks like a nice little bull flag to the upside kind of forming. I'm gonna try to... Well, it's tough. It's gonna be tough to long and try to short as well at the same time. Crazy, crazy market, guys. Crazy, you've got to be kidding. Okay, I've got to log on to my Quant Tower 2 in the meantime. All right, how's everybody doing? How's everyone doing here? How's everybody doing, fellow traders? After 8 hours in trading from 5 a.m. in the morning to 2 p.m., you are a newbie. But was the first time ever traded. It was bullish the entire 8 hours, and my eyes were glued to the screen. Only get profit too. Well, that's fine, Lise. At least you're in green. So, you know, the people out there, including myself, we end up blowing accounts during the day, and you're sitting there, right? You haven't lost anything, even though you didn't gain much. So, you know, should be grateful, I think. Don't fight the trend. All right, guys. All right. So I'm staying a little patient, guys. I'm staying a little patient. I'm going to try to long on a pullbacks here, guys.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submit. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right. I think we hit the ceiling here at 364, getting us a little pullback here. But I would kind of try to prefer longing on a pullback, and I'm going to try to do. All right, so getting a little pullback here, which is fine. And I'm gonna try to scale into my long position, and that's what I'm gonna try to do here.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Daily day. Oh, daily day
Order
trades. What
order
is going on,
filled.
man? This is this is Sabunagi. Yeah. All right. Maybe the Unagi is not feeling very well today. Jillian Vorfa Y lost your 3 live listed accounts today. So close to live bonus, which would give me the total. You know what, guys? Maybe I should have waited for. Maybe I should have waited before taking the payout. You know what I'm gonna try to do next time? I'm gonna try to hold off, trying to get my payout because I do want to get to bonus, right? I had a good chance doing that. To give you guys a little perspective here, I've already taken, guys, man, we're getting a little pullback here. Hold on one second.
Canceled. Order canceled. Order canceled.
All right, so I've already taken a payout today. So this morning, pre-market, I did get into a couple trades, and then I got into another payout. Right, I got another payout. That's $1,300. Well, $1,100. That's what I did. This is my listed live account. Right, listed live account. That's what it is. Yeah, so that's live account there. Yeah, so that's a listed live, right? And then I also had yesterday. Yesterday I did another one, which was this right here. This was yesterday. So yesterday $1,000, and today, this morning, early in the morning, $1,100. Maybe I should have waited, but it's fine. I would rather just take these payouts because maybe trying to play smart with the market,
Order filled.
looking for that
Order
little
filled.
bonus. You know what I mean? I probably would have ended up losing my account too. So just want to be a little. Oh, guys, man, what the hell's going on right now, everybody? Oh, yeah. 1 second, guys. 1 second. This is no bueno, everybody.
Order
no
submitted.
bueno. No bueno, no pasa nada, guys. Be careful, guys, if you're trading here tonight. We are getting some big fat unagi pullback here, which isn't great. Let's take a look. So yeah, that's what I'm at. So the second payout that I requested this morning, it's hit my bank account just now. So that's great. Which Apex is best? Is it worth 5,000 for intraday trade and drawdown? No activation. I would just go half and half first. You know what I mean? Start off with the smaller. Like I would start with $19 5-pack 50k trailing right DD, and try getting few accounts funded first, and then get few no activation fee accounts. Right, that's what I would do. Right, if that's me. Probably end up
Order
going with,
filled.
oh guys, man,
filled.
what the hell's going on? 1 second, guys. I may be in a little trouble. What the hell? That's a good 80 points pullback here right now, guys. What is going on right now, everyone? Hold on. Hold on.
Order filled.
Order
Hold
filled.
on. What the guys? What the? Oh, what news are we getting right now? What news? Come on. All right, what news are we getting? Let me just go take a look at the financial juice. Come on. It's fine. It's fine. We understand. Maybe somebody fired something. Rocket launcher. The Strait of Hormuz. We don't have any news. Oh, no U.S. aircraft down near Iran. Oh, guys, man, looks like there was a claim that U.S. aircraft was down. Now, the U.S. official claimed that it's not true. Ooh, yeah, let's go. I would love to be an insider, guys. I should be in media now. I would have full put it in Q to the downside. Oh my goody. What am I doing right now?
Order
I am
Order filled.
Order. Order. Order
filled.
order cancelled.
I'm a little late to the party, so I could be a little trouble here as well. I could be in a little trouble, guys, here. But I'm taking my chance to see how it goes. Not a great way to start. Man, that's a pretty quick 80 points pullback here in the market, guys. No bueno, no pasa nada. So what it's going to be, I don't know, maybe we probably end up... I mean, we're going to have to get above this 315 first before we start to get a little more bullish, I guess, in the market. I could have got a better entry, to be honest, but anyways, it's okay. It is what it is sometimes. Are we gonna break it down?
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Come on, man. Just give me that little pump. Pump it up. Let's go. Come on. Oh, you little silly. You're gonna play very difficult to get here. Oh my god, you really?
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Come on.
Order filled.
Order
filled.
Guys, man, I'm gonna have to take some off the
Order.
table here
Order
right now,
filled.
man. All right, I'll exit that trade.
Order
Order filled.
God, no way! What the hell? What the hell, man? What? Well, I guess that was a trade of it lag. Oh my god. No, I got out. If you guys go back to my stream, I exited my position, but there was a delayed. Fuck.
order filled.
Order filled.
Well, that
Order
kind of hurts,
submitted.
really. But it does. All right, guys, I'm gonna try to short this. Man, that kind of really hurts. It's fine. We'll get it back. But I mean, I did exit my trade, but I think there was a couple seconds delay. And then obviously the market also ended up finding a way to get that smack, like a pullback. So, oh well. I wonder if I want to be up. All right, so we are at 301. No, it's a little too slow. I think it's a little too slow to get my. All right, here we go. We'll try this. It's okay, yeah. I'm not concerned. I just got a little mad that it wouldn't exit my position. That was it, really. Damn. I'm not sure what to do here, guys. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna have to wait. Horrible. It was definitely lagging. I mean, at the end of the day, it's my fault, right? So I'm not complaining, by the way. Just saying. And that's why I was kind of a little annoyed that when I exited my trade, it wouldn't exit. A couple seconds later, it exited, but then obviously the market ended up dumping. That gave me that 12. I was down only about, I would say, $300. That dump got $1,000 extra. You know what I mean? That's why I was kind of a little mad. But it's okay. VAC, what is going on, man? You're using 50 seconds, really? All right. Well, what was that dump though? Right at the top. I don't think that was really in front of any news. I just kind of feel like that would have been a pullback off the high, right? Just a little ejection off the high. I think that's probably what it is. All right, it's not moving at all right now. It's only about 10 points. So I'm going to have to kind of wait. I may have to move to NQ. I'm going to have to move to NQ. So we got a RSI sitting at 48. So we may have a chance of a little bounce, I would say. Yeah, I gotta have to just stay a little patient here. Oh man, look at that bounce, man. That would have been absolutely green for me. StockTiger, mucho no gracias, amigos. All right. In the meantime, I've got how many? Okay. Just 1 second. I'm just setting up. I got an extra account on the funded next that is moving to the funded stage. So I'm just signing off in an agreement. So it's gonna be 5 account.
Order filled.
Order filled.
What am I doing? I'm full porting right now. Full porting. Yeah, I'm full porting right now on this account. Yep. We'll see what takes place right now.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order filled.
order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, guys.
Order canceled.
I did exit my trade on that NQ, and I flipped back to I flipped back to NQ. Oh no. Oh, my brain is just all messed up right now. I exited my trade on NQ and I flipped to MNQ. There we go. Wow. Yes, I moved from I moved from NQ. I closed that position and I moved to MNQ. That's what it is. Whoo! English is becoming very difficult today. All right, guys, let's try to have some fun here tonight. Oh, by the way, yeah. I kind of forgot something here. Something really important. I'm gonna try to. Man, this is not looking that great, guys. I'm gonna try to add some more here.
Order filled.
And I don't know, man. It's not looking good. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just profit taking, guys. We did talk about a potential profit taking tonight, but again, we're tapping into the very important area now, guys. 277 would be that big level. Now, if we break underneath that, then we have into a little bit of a problem. But if we end up holding this level, then we have a good chance of a bounce, right? So let's keep an eye on this, guys. 277 area, that's a big level. So I just want to kind of make sure that we hold that area. I'm going to draw a little box there as well on the 1 minute chart. All right, this level is going to be huge. We got to really try to hold this. If we can't hold this, then I think we are in a little trouble. Where my stop's going to be right above the VWAP. It's going to be, yo, let's go. Come on. Ba-da-da-da, ba-da. StockTiger is down. Why is it so happy when it's down? Don't ask me. So you playing in the range now? Yes, sir. Every time it sells it, like what's happening when it's bullish? Let's go. Yeah, I know, Bowser. Yeah. Yeah. Every time we get a little pullback, you know, everybody freaks out, including myself. Oh, we're getting a pullback. It's only 1%, guy. Relax. You know, we had a 20 million points pump to the upside. Come on. Bear Trap Algo's playing games. It's been games all around the year. Why does everybody keep saying I am streaming from Japan? No, I'm not. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the channel. Thank you so much, everybody. We'll be live tomorrow morning as well, guys. We'll be live tomorrow morning, everybody, at about 10 o'clock in the morning, guys, Eastern time. So love to see you guys tomorrow morning as well. A lot of fun stuff tomorrow morning, by the way. Lots of fun stuff. I'd love to see you guys, of course, as always, every day. We got live Globex Asia every night as well, of course. Just make sure to hit that notification bell as well, too, guys. If you want to get notified, I'm sneaky. Sometimes I go live at very late night, too. Quietly. EL7 Trader, yo, bro, thank you so much, man. The best code, Tiger. Thank you so much. And by the way, thank you, everybody, for using my code as well. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it so much. Truly means the world, right, guys? Thank you. And by the way, we'll do. Let's go ahead and do some account giveaway here. We'll do. Okay, so we'll do one. All right, so let's go ahead and do that, guys. Let's pump it up. Let's go. Thank you guys once again for being here. To all of you, are you swing trading? What do you mean? Are you swing trading, Tiger? Sir Chen, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be swing trading tonight. I'm not sure. I may. Now, it really depends. I may try to swing trade on one of my maybe Lucid Live account, maybe with 1 or 2 micros, maybe. I'm not sure. I would rather, I mean, lately, you know, I would rather just stay away from swing trading overnight. It just kind of makes me feel better, where I can have some peace of mind before I go to bed. You know what I mean? So I've been having a bit of a tough time trying to, because the market has been just so volatile, very unpredictable market as well, right? So you get this big fat swings up and down in front of all the news that comes out overnight. So it's, you know, I would rather just kind of try to stay away from swing trading overnight. Kazumax Tiger, can you give me your honest opinion about 2 firms? Should I move to Apex or Tradify for day trades payout? They all, you know, I mean, they both have pros and cons, right? So their rules are all completely different, right? So it depends on what sort of a trader you are, right? It's not about whether Apex is good or bad or Tradify is good or bad. It's about what sort of a trader are you, right? You got to ask yourself before you get into picking which firm to go with. You know what I mean? So if you are one of this trader, right? You know, you're the only account that you can trade is end of day. So it really depends. I mean, you know, just see what sort of a style of a trader you are first. Anyways. Apex bundle, I think that's really good. You're saving a lot of money, by the way, using the bundle, right? The bundle. So for 50K, I'm just going to use 50K as an example. 50K trailing drawdown account. You're essentially paying $24 if you go with one, but you're going to be paying $19. So you're saving $5 per account, right? You're paying $5 per account. So that's $25, right? 5 accounts, you're saving $25 as a bundle package. So you're saving a lot, actually. And those kind of adds up, you know. Those really adds up if, you know, maybe, who knows, you're going to be getting 20, 30 evals, for example. And that's going to be like 60, 70 bucks, right? You're saving. So the bundle system is actually pretty good. You know, I like the bundle system they came out with on Tradify as well. I love it. And Apex, I'm just grateful that they've come up with this. And I think, you know, everybody else also has to come up with this bundle, in my opinion. This bundle is actually pretty good. Saved you a lot of time too. Yeah. All right, guys, I'm shorting the market right now. I'm showing the market, looking for the target down into, I would say, I'm looking for the target down to the low 200s, guys. 230-ish area is my target. And I've only got 4 micro right now. So I may try to add, depends. I want to see this thing break underneath the 270s first. And see if we try to retest that level. If it breaks down, then I'm going to have a little more confidence in my trade to the downside, right? No, Apex bundle. Apex bundle for each eval activation. So I mean, the bundle is either 5-piece, 5 accounts, or I'm just gonna take it to the Apex site once again, right, to make it nice and easy for you guys to understand. So if you just take a look, guys, I mean, this is what it is, right? So if you go with, let's just use 50K as an example. So right, if you go with the standard one, so you're gonna have an activation fee you're gonna have to pay on a 50K account, intraday drawdown. On a standard one with an activation fee, the evaluation is a lot cheaper, of course, right? Because you're gonna have to pay for an activation. So if you buy as a 5-pack, then you're gonna be saving $5 in each of those evals. And if you go on its own one, then you're paying 20.49. So you're essentially paying saving $5 per account if you go with the 5-pack. Now, you're going to have to pay for an activation, which is here, performance account. You're going to have to pay $79 because you chose the standard version, right? That's what it is. And if you go with the no activation, you're not paying for an evaluation. You're literally paying for an entire account. It's a one-time fee with no activation fee, right? So that one's going to be $69 per account. So you're going to have to do the math and see, okay, well, if I lose a lot of evals, then you might as well just go with the standard one. But if your pass rate is 80%, for example, then you might as well go with no activation account. You know what I mean? So it really depends. So the bundle exists on both accounts, right? With an activation fee or without an activation fee. Oren 6014 says, "Lo, this guy is promoting Apex." No, come on. You know, the question was asked, and I'm just answering the question. That's it. All right. How do you split the chart? Just, guys, 1 second. Let me just try to focus on trading first. Okay, guys, don't forget we got Take Profit Trader account giveaway here tonight. All you have to do is type in !Tiger and just make sure to smack the like as always if you guys want to support the channel. Thank you so much, everyone, for being here as well. We will be live tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock in the morning Eastern time. So this is kind of looking weak. Weaker than I thought it's going to be, I'll be honest. So I wonder what this is going to be. I kind of I'm going to have to change this a little bit here. Yeah, we have a chance of a break to the downside that could potentially take us back down. I think the first level of a support is going to be in that 270s, and then the next level is going to be in that 240s. Now, I will try to scale into my position on a little bounce back into the VWAP and look for that flush down. So essentially what I'm looking for now would be, we could try to get a bounce for all you know, but I think eventually we kind of try to fade down and a good chance of a pullback into the 240s, right? So we'll keep an eye on this market, and I'm gonna try to short on a bounce.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
And then look for a rollover down. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do. All right, so I'm only I'm not only, I'm down to $800. I was down about $1,200, right? So I got back $400. I used NQ to kind of try to quickly do a micro scalping. So I kind of got what I need, and now we're back to the MNQ. What is Dell? What do you mean? What is Dell? You guys talking about the Dell, but take a look at Dell stock. Holy man, the computing, crazy. Parabolic, guys. All the computing related AI and all that are just smoking right now. It's only 40%, just very casual 40% up to the for the Dell. But if you just take a look on Snowflake as well, Snowflake was up like in 40% or something like that yesterday. Yeah, 36%. Crazy, 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 guys. Yeah, everything is just up. I mean, if you don't get 30%, that stock isn't doing okay. That stock is not doing okay. Okay, it's pretty slow. Yeah, I'm gonna try to stick to this game plan here, right? So we got a VWAP here at 320 area. So I'm gonna be using that, and let's see if we can actually get a little more rollover down. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we get a bounce as well, because if we are gonna constantly try to hold this area now, then we have a good chance of a bounce as well. But we smacked the 360, and we really could not hold that level. We quickly ended up pulling back about 80 points. So I don't know if this is going to be a bounce of this level. I still do think we get one more leg to the downside. At least that could try to retest the low here at 270s. We'll see. I mean, if I'm wrong, then I'm gonna have to exit my trade. Where am I gonna exit my trade here? I'm gonna try to see if I can hold it through 350. So I'm gonna have to be in a lot smaller size to be able to hold it into 350. So that's 50 points. So I'm gonna be using 50 points here. Looks like a consolidation and break higher to me. Oh, Arc Diesel. Okay, so you think we're gonna go higher? That's what it is. All right. I'm not sure. So we got quite a few traders here thinking we may try to push higher tonight. Washwart says I'm seeing it go lower. Not making any higher lows with this dip. Black Mamba. What? Black Mamba, you give me a little middle finger? Is that what it is? Oh, sell limit. Okay, I see. 313. 313. So you got a limit sell. That's what you got, Black Mamba. Strong support 287 MNQ. Guys, man, this is what it's all about. We're all sharing information, you know, trying to make some calls on which direction we got to be picking into. I love it. I love it, guys. And honestly, yeah, of course, I do respect all your opinions. Of course I do. I may not necessarily listen, but I mean, at least I'm seeing your levels. IT tested this area. Oh, not IT tested. It tested this area. 30, 20, 276. Okay, so did we test? Yeah, we actually did test 276 here. You're right. That's a good point. We tested 276, by the way. I'm kind of wondering if we can try to retest. I mean, when we had this big dump, I would have liked to see a big pump as well at the same time. So there's a lot of buying pressure kind of stepping in, but we didn't do that. But so that's making me kind of feel a little uncomfortable. Well, I wouldn't say uncomfortable, but I mean, a little less convinced that we go higher from here.
Order filled.
Okay. I'm gonna try to get a bounce. So the 15-minute chart, trying to get a bounce. We're getting pretty close to the VWAP at 316, by the way. I wonder what this is gonna try to do. It's tricky. I'm gonna try to hold this trade and see where, like I said again, I'm gonna try to hold it into the 340s and 350s. That's probably an area when I'm gonna try to exit my trade, just in case we keep getting a bounce. So I'm gonna do that little box there right now. Might as well try to do that. So that's the level. That's where I'm at right here. So we're gonna be looking at that. And where's this Fibonacci come from? So I had this Fibonacci before. I don't need this Fibonacci anymore. Now that it's we're so much higher. Okay. Just want to kind of make sure. So we got that there. I'm still kind of thinking more of a this, you know what I mean? I'm thinking this, then trying to pierce through that all-time high. That's what I'm kind of thinking right now, to be honest. Okay, so that's what I got right now. I think yesterday was pretty clean move to the upside yesterday during Globex, right? And that's what it was. Today seems to be a little choppy. We got whacked off that high at 365. We ended up pulling back, and that was a nasty pullback all the way down to 276. We found a nice little support there, and we're kind of grinding here. Slow little grind to the upside. Keep an eye on this. I'm down about $900 right now as you speak. I think the Lucid payout next time, I'm gonna try to hold it off. If I keep making profits, I'm gonna try to build it and see if I can actually request the bonus payout. Right? It's gonna take me time to get to 45, but it's end of day as well, so it's doable. It's doable. Yeah, so that bonus payout is going to be cool because let's say if I make $4,500, that's going to be 4,500 times 45, right? And that's what it is. They're just doubling your double dip. The bonus payout is for a Lucid Live account, so that's what they have, right? So I'm going to go back and I'm going to show it to you right now. Go to live account. Where's the bonus payout? Yes, there we go. Just take a look here. So we got a nice little bonus structure, right? So on a 150K account, live target's 4,600. So if I make $4,600 and if I request 46, you get $4,500 bonus, man. This is actually a big deal, and I wasn't thinking about this. Each account starts with zero balance and $2,000 drawdown. That's 50K. The trader earns $2,000 in each of the accounts. Lucid releases $2,000 live bonus as a payout to the trader. Trader received a $10,000 bonus payout. That's right. So if I blow my Lucid Live account, I probably would end up going into the Lucid Max status, right? So select traders may eventually earn Lucid Max status. Lucid Max status may purchase the max evaluation, receive access to daily uncapped payouts, and instant live capital. Okay, so I most probably I would be into the Lucid Max. I mean, because at some point I'm going to be losing that live account. Not that I want to, but I mean, I will at some point, right? Because right now with the 150K, I've already taken $2,300. So all I really had to do was just kind of wait for another $2,000 to get extra $4,500, and I'm here taking every little dime on those live accounts. So I'm gonna try to build it from here, see how that thing kind of goes. I'd love to see bonus payout before before obviously blowing an account, I guess. But we'll see. Sim a ding, what is going on, man? Keep it long as possible. I mean, I would love to. Guys, not that I want to blow an account. It just happens, right? It's just a tough market, right? So trade the Momo, what is going on, man? All right, Team Phony, what is up? 8259 says, how long have you been trading? I've been trading for about 14 years overall, my trading journey, and then it's only been about 2 years now with the PROPFIRM trading. Okay, so the market kind of choppy here. Now it's going to be really important to try to get above this VWAP, guys. I'm not panicking because I've only got 5 contracts, so it's not the end of the world. I would love to see, like, I want to take a stab on the right side of the trade. So what I'm going to try to be is maybe up to 15 micro contracts by the time it's said and done, and look for that move, right? Either, I mean, breakout, right? Either to the upside or to the downside. So far, it's kind of dead. So far, it's kind of dead. No, this is not a funded account. This is Eval. I was going to try and trade the Pro, but I'm like, I lost a few bucks there. $4. $4 I lost, and I said, okay, well, just kind of let's try to stick to the Eval for now. The market is just very unpredictable, so. How's everybody doing? Oh, by the way, man, nobody told me how you guys did this morning. Yeah, how was your day this morning, guys? Did you guys slay the market? Anybody getting into some big fat payouts? We only have 2 more days to go, guys. Well, technically 1 more day, which is tomorrow. And then the month is over, guys. This month is finally behind us. So grateful this month is over. Holy mochaccino. Definitely been a very tough month, for sure. Yeah, honestly, I think I'm kind of thinking I didn't really have a lot of choice other than just take a payout on my Lucid live account because I needed those payouts, right? So even though we have a bonus live that is something that I do have to try to work towards that, towards getting that bonus payout, which I will from here. So I think going from here, every profits I'm gonna make, I'm just gonna leave it there. And then try to see if I can get to $4,600 in total profits. Maybe that would help me get the bonus payout as well. Yeah, I mean, it's not a small amount. $4,500. That's actually pretty good. So I'm going to target that. See how it goes. Had a big red day. A niche chamber. Then you made it back. Break even on the day. Hey, yeah, you should be grateful, bro. I mean, that's pretty good. Red to green, I love it. I love hearing that. Red to green. 유튜브 시청님, 어제는 나스닥 너무 무빙이 깨끗했다고? Have an extra indicator for the hourly candle in Chartvate. Have an extra indicator? What does that mean? Break even is still live. Yeah, that's right. For sure. Jillian, what is going on, man? How has your day been? Oh, Richard Dowdy, what is going on, man? What is going on? Dead of Dreads. My day was fine. I did not get into a lot of trades today. What I ended up doing is I traded the pre-market because I knew the morning was going to be very busy for me. So what I did was I woke up a little early. I got into a few trades during the pre-market, and then luckily, I made $1,200 on my Lucid live account. So I ended up requesting a payout on that. and then I had to kind of walk away for the rest of the day in the morning. And then I tried to trade a couple accounts during the power hour, but the market was just so, man, you guys know, the market was absolutely dead. So Sky Blue Vibes, what is going on, brother? Going to flush. Oh, I wish. Oh, Brave Day got 10 evals, trying to close to passing today on a 50k Lucids. Wow, look at you, brother. Good luck, Brave Day. I know you can. I know you got this. Then what do we have? Man, this is just, I mean, this is probably the choppiest it gets. It's been a while since I actually got something like that, right? So we're at 308. I don't know what this market is trying to do, but I do know that it is going to be. Oh, well, you know what? We try to tap the VWAP, by the way. Got a little rejection of that level too, so planning to go all in on pullbacks with the mindset that absolutely cannot break through. Yeah, you have a good point. You have a good point. YouTube 시청님. Yeah, I'm still looking for the target down into the 270s. Maybe try to retest that area. The market is going nowhere. Absolutely, JC Trades. Can somebody try to move this market with your live accounts if you have? Oh, I mean, I guess maybe I could try to do that myself, but not going to. Ooh. Come on, man. Just flush it down. You know you want to pull back here. Just kind of feel like this thing wants to just really flush it down. Again, we're not looking for a massive pullback, by the way, right? All we are kind of looking for is down into the 270s. And that's really all we're looking for right now. You know, we hit the high. Well, we just really could not get into, I would say, the 378. That was the previous all-time high. We got pretty close. We just couldn't get above that, right? So that's where we got a rejection of that from. That's where we got a rejection, 362. And we're kind of breaking down right here. So we'll keep an eye on this. Something's cooking. Yeah, I know, man. Something feels cookie. We'll find out what it is going to be. Rifak Kabiri, please, bro, do it for me. Do what again? I'm trading live. It isn't helping. Oh, you're trading live account. It isn't helping. Oh, okay. Oh my god.
Order
filled.
order
Order filled.
order
Order filled.
order
Order filled. Order filled.
order order
Order filled.
We're just not breaking
Order
down, man.
submitted.
We're just not breaking down at
Order
all.
submitted.
Just kind of get a little
Order
annoyed, to be
submitted.
honest.
Order submitted. Order
That's a little
submitted.
mistake, what I've done.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, just I'm gonna have to do a
Order
little bit of a
submitted.
spider web here.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I'm gonna get rid of this thing.
Canceled. Order canceled.
All right, off you go. Let's see if we have the juice to kind of pull back here. If not, then I will be cooked really well. Gonna find out right now, guys, girls. Give me that little break, guys. Come on, just give me that little break down into the 280s. All right. I may have to I may end up porting this account because I do want to get it down pretty quickly. So I'm hoping we end up pulling back here. That would be nice. So that way I don't have to port this account. Man, how difficult can this be, really? Oh my dear guys, man, this is just absolutely amazing price action we're getting right now, guys. A beautiful 3 points up and down. Oh my god. Really? Oh, jeez, guys, come on. No. This can't be true. This can't be true. Incredible. This cannot be true at all, I think. Oh, dear, guys. Smile cheese. All right, guys, I'm going to have to exit
Order
that trade.
filled.
Fuck me, man.
Order filled.
The fuck?
Order filled.
This price action is really freaking annoying, guys. Honestly, I'm gonna have to port this now. I'm gonna port this right here. Don't have a lot of drawdown to work with, but man, this price action is really effing annoying. So I'm gonna have to take a stab at this. Oh my god, really? Crazy.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, so we're getting a little bit of a annoying price action here tonight. So ultimately, it looks like we're still moving higher. I think that's what it's gonna try to do. So I think, yeah, this could get cooked. I don't know. We'll see. We'll try to save this account if we can. If not, then we'll kind of move on. But man, this price action is really annoying, guys. Though. All right. So again, looks like this market's still trying to pump to the upside.
Order submitted.
It still keeps going.
Order Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Oh my god, really? Are you kidding me?
Order
man.
Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Connect. Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Order rejected.
Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order submitted.
I guess 1 second, I am scrambling here, man. StockTiger scrambling to looking for that little survival here.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
All right, guys. We've got to push through this. We really got to push through this. Oh my god, I'm in trouble. All right, I'm still holding this right now.
Order submitted.
I guess 1 second, I'll be right back. Just gotta go to the washroom. All right, I'm back. Yeah, it looks tough. It may not make it. It's fine. Kind of got a little unlucky with this, but it's okay. We'll try to move on to something else. I may try to trade the Pro and see if I can make $500 off the Pro account if I'm going to be trading that, and see if I can actually get to a daily payout tonight itself instead of kind of waiting for tomorrow. Guys, don't forget, guys, we got giveaway here. Take Profit Trader account giveaway. Type in !Tiger if you guys want to participate. And then also, guys, don't forget to smack the like, everybody. We'll call out the winner at about 300 likes. We got over 600 viewers and only have 170 likes. Do you guys think we can get to 300 right now? Right now, off the bat, guys? Let's try to do it. Thank you, guys. Take a few seconds if you guys don't mind. Thank you so much, everyone. All right, so it looks like we're getting a pullback here, unfortunately. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna survive. We'll see. I mean, it's not until it's gone. It's not gone yet. So sitting at 309. Let's see if we try to retest the VWAP here. If not, then I probably roll over down. Kind of a little frustrated with the early start, but it's okay. It's gonna be tough. I've got 4 contracts now. I only have how much more drawdown? I only got $200 drawdown right here, so this could be a tough one in the making. One more dip and it's gone. One more dip. Let's try to see if I can actually add and just kind of just try to see what happens. Oh, $300 more. Sorry, $200 more. $200. I was actually gonna try to add, but it's the same thing. Okay. Yeah, I think it's gonna go. Man, it's been a while since I've actually heard the sound. Ding! Been a while. Especially during the Globex, so today kind of feels like my night. Oh my god.
Connection lost.
Oh, this price action is really annoying. Trust me, guys. So where we at? We're kind of chopping in that beautiful 20 points range, really. That's all we're getting at the moment. I mean, obviously, right after we got a big dump. Right after we got a big dump, we're kind of ranging 20 points. Then the poor trader, go to trader indicator, community indicator for the new guy order blocks. Yeah, we'll take a look at those a little later once I'm back and alive. Right now, it's not a perfect time. But guys, man, thank you guys everybody for being here, man. Obviously, it's always amazing. It's always amazing, and I love being here in front of my fellow traders, guys, man. This is amazing community. Thank you so much to all of you for your big support to the channel every single night, right? Every single night. Thank you so much to all of you. Love you guys, man. Mucho gracias, amigos. Pura. And also, we go live in the mornings too, right? And that's Yeah, I'm getting lots of love in the mornings too lately. So thank you to all of you. We'll be live tomorrow morning as promised. 10 o'clock in the morning Eastern time. We'll go live. And we'll try to go neck to neck and see if we can slay the market tomorrow morning to close the week and close the month with a big bang. What am I going to be trading tomorrow morning? Honestly, I don't know. I mean, I'm going to have to trade Billanox for another day to count as a day. So Billanox for sure. Could be Apex. Could be Take Profit Trader, Tradify. I may probably try to focus on funded next accounts. Funded next accounts because I've got 5 funded accounts with them. And also Alpha. Man, you know this half days are kind of really confusing because what's ends up happening is, you know, when you do a half day because of Memorial, you know, the half day, the profits are kind of gone into the next day, but yesterday and today count as a one day. So what ended up happening was for the Alpha, I made way more than I'm supposed to be making because the 2 days is counting as a one. And I've literally made about $2,300 combined the 2 days. But it's only counting as a one day. And the consistency is now far beyond. Really annoying, guys. So I've passed, I think, I thought I passed about 3 accounts with Alpha. But because the consistency is way off, right? Consistency is like 70% now. So it's kind of like really annoying. So I don't know what to do. I'm going to have to keep trading now with Alpha. Try to pass. So, I mean, I've got it over $30,000 on a 50K accounts, right? And I love those premium accounts, by the way. But I'm going to have to make maybe another $1,500 now for all you know, which kind of sucks, right? I don't really have the time to kind of keep trading those evals, but it is what it is, right? Same thing happened with the with me and the Alpha. Your consistency have to wait. I know, man. That's the problem sometimes. Really annoying. We need Trump tweets. Andrew trade. We need Trump tweet. Let's go. Oh, you're not broadcasting tomorrow? Yeah, we'll be broadcasting tomorrow. We'll be streaming tomorrow morning. Like I said again, tomorrow morning we'll be live at 10 o'clock in the morning, guys. We haven't got to Tokyo yet. We still have about 40 minutes to go for Tokyo. Oh, hold on one second. Am I back up again? Hold on one second, guys. 1 second. I'm back up.
Order
okay, hold on.
Order filled.
I didn't know. I thought this account blew, but we're still here. Hey Tiger, with listed live accounts, how long did your account stay pending before they finally let you trade? Brett 5974. I think it took me a couple of weeks. I think it took me a couple of weeks to get through that. But again, I mean, I had to move from Tradivate to Rhythmic because Tradivate, obviously, I can't go live with Tradivate, so they had to move me to Rhythmic. Holy mochaccino, everybody! What in the world is going on here? Well, let's go. All right, guys, man. Maybe I'm gonna live. Maybe I'm surviving here, guys.
Order.
Maybe I'm surviving, everybody. What in the world? Well, now we're gonna have some come up and say he got dang lucky. I understand. If I'm down, I'm cooked. If I'm up, he got lucky. Dang. What else? All right. No, but yeah, I got lucky. I'll be honest. Yeah, I got lucky. I was just about $180 away from blowing this account. So I'm gonna have to admit I got lucky, guys. Let's go. Now I'm gonna try to do. I don't know. I mean, I'm not sure. I'm still here. Man, but dang, look at that, hey. I was down $1,800, literally over $1,800, and we kind of got it back to $800, right? So that's like $1,000, $1,100. I think that's what we got back again. So that's good. I'm handsome today. Okay, I'm just not sure how to respond to that question. Yeah, I'm not sure what that means. You're handsome today. Ascend with Alien. Hey, bro. Thanks for being here, brother. Thank you so much. First time here. Guys, we got a lot of first timer here, by the way. And I want to thank you guys for being here, right? Just so you know, we go live every night at 5:30 p.m. Eastern time is when we go live every night, guys. We also go live in the mornings too, at least twice a week. Usually at about 10 o'clock in the morning, Eastern time. And we also do late night shows time to time. So if you guys want to get notified, just make sure to hit that notification bell as always. If you want to get notified every time we go live, right? And Tiger means the Volcachino. Let's go. All right, guys, but we're getting a little bounce, and I'm going to try to hold this, guys. Bandit. Long time. Oh, first time here, long time listener. Nice. Okay, so we get a little bounce. I'm going to try to hold this, guys. I'm going to try to hold this and see what happens. When I'm gonna put my stop, my stop probably gonna be in that 314 area, right underneath the VWAP. Now, don't tell me you're gonna end up pulling back here into the VWAP. I will be disappointed. I kind of feel like, we get a little more push here to the upside. If we do, that's great, because I like to. Well, final take profit's probably gonna be in that 340, and I'm gonna flip to micro contracts. Right, that's gonna do. What in the world am I saying? So yeah, so the reason I'm going to be flipping to micro NQ is because I want to downsize my risk, right? That's what I'm going to try to do. Technically challenged 14. That's a good point. $180 with 4 cons is 9 ticks. Yeah, that's right. The math is mathing. But the market wants to pull back. Could be. We're hitting that little resistance, to be honest, in that 330 area, guys. So that's where I would be a little concerned. We got a rejection off the 330 area. That's the resistance, right? So I'm looking for, let's say, well, let's see if we could pierce through that and try to give us that little bull flag here. Maybe another candle that's going to look like that. Let's try. That's gonna really help me get back on. Let's see, how much drawdown do I have really? So I've got $1,200 drawdown now, man. Wow, from $180 a drawdown to $1,100 drawdown. And by the way, guys, if I'm missing out on the chat, just you guys go ahead and type it again. Don't trade ticks. I do sometimes. Depends. If the market's really slow, I tend to move into the tick chart because it's tough to trade a 1 minute chart when the market's only moving about 20-30 points. So I kind of prefer to use the tick chart. And I do that time to time. I had to do that last week in the New York stream, when the market was just moving about 40 points. And the NQ, well, the tick chart actually ended up helping me nicely. Just finding better entries. You got baked today? Really? What happened, bro? Rules crypto. What happened? All right, guys. We're sitting at 321. Let's see if we get a little bounce, guys. I'd love to see a little bounce. Do you like the listed live account? I mean, so far I'm kind of enjoying trading listed live. It would have been a lot better if I had an option to trade both sim accounts plus the listed live. Would have been better that way. But you know, I mean, let's say allow max two sim accounts. Alongside with that, trade the live accounts. You know what I mean? That would have been nicer that way. So you're kind of like trading the listed sim accounts too. I miss trading the sim account with listed, especially the listed flex accounts. I really do miss that account, really a lot. You know, I miss that account. If you guys are trading listed flex accounts, you got to be grateful that you're still trading those accounts. I prefer the 150s on the listed flex. Oh man, don't tell me you're gonna pull back here, please. Got a big fat rejection, guys. That wick, man, this is just literally not looking good. All right, what I'm gonna try to do here is forget it, guys. I'm gonna try to scale into this trade using micro NQ now. God, man, this is really annoying. All right, guys, I got out of my NQ trade. I'm gonna try to scale into my trade with using a micro and see how it goes. At least I'm only down to like $900. Still alive and well. Is Lucy getting rid of the flex account? No. In Mondaily, no, they're not getting rid of that. It's just that I cannot trade listed flex account because they've moved me to live already, right? So that's what I meant. How do you pass intraday for Take Profit Trader? Eric Kim. So if you're trading an eval account, you don't have to worry about intraday, right? Because it's end of day, right? For the passing of the evals. But as soon as you get to the Take Profit Trader funded account, the Pro, then it's gonna turn into an intraday. But at the same time, if you move to Pro Plus, that's end of day. Actually, you know, you reminded me to send an email to Take Profit Trader because I do want to get to Pro Plus, and I can do that by going into Rhythmic, right? So many months ago, we tried with Tradeovate, we couldn't do it. So, but maybe now I'm gonna ask them if I can move to Rhythmic, and that way I can actually get to the Pro Plus. I would love to trade Pro Plus, man. That's end of day, man. Let's not get any better than that. If you 덜덜 유튜브 시청님 미니로도 하고 마이크로도 하고 반반이에요. 반반 50대 50. So I prefer to flip between make NQ and micro depending on the market situation, right? And my account standing too. So it depends. If the market is really that volatile, if I'm trying to micro scalp, I'll just leave it at NQ and look for that couple points up and down. If it's going to be Yeah, again, like I said, it really depends. ASI Fly, good bro, man. Long time no see. How you been? How you been, brother? JJ, are you a fisherman? I'm not. I like fishing, but oh, you've been all right. So you've been good. All right, cool. Making a lot of profits using the bot trading. The VWAP, it just kind of feels like, we're trying to break it down, guys. That just doesn't, I don't know, man. It's hard to say. I mean, we got a rejection of that 330 area. Kind of makes me feel like this market has some more juice to the downside. But I mean, every time it looks that way, we are getting a big fat bounce. I mean, that's exactly what happened here, right? So, and we had a big bounce, man. And that literally took this account down. And if I try to short this market again now, I don't know. Look. Oh my god. Did you guys see that?
Order
What?
filled.
Guys, really be careful right now. Gotta be really careful. Oh. Guys, be careful, man. What the heck was that? Alright. I'm not gonna allow this market to freak me out. Freak me out! Freaker! You black and white. But what was that though, guys? We're actually, oh, maybe we do have a news come out. Let's take a look at the news if you've got anything else. Oh, okay. I see, guys. I see what's happening. We had a Tokyo CPI just came in. We got Tokyo CPI. Wow. That kind of moved about 7 points. Guys, this is what we get trading the Tokyo market. We get a nice, beautiful 7 points on a CPI. That's a 7 points up and down on Tokyo CPI, Japan. Incredible. And honestly, even the PPI this morning, guys, honestly did not really move the needle at all. Like, what the hell is going on, guys? I guess that's not relevant. Real estate, what is going on, Vancouver, Canada? What is up, brother? Your copy trader budge and they got flagged for hedging and listed. Oh my god. Then Vogon, all these prop firms are very, very strict with the hedging. So well, nothing to be proud of, but I mean, I made a lot of mistakes myself. And not too long ago, with Tech Profit Trader, I lost a lot of pro accounts too, which obviously was a glitch and error. But you know, it's a system data that they're looking at, right? So I don't know. I don't think that's gonna be okay. But I never got into flipping issues with Lucid. It was all pretty much Tradify and Take Profit Trader accounts that I got flagged with a lot of violations. But I'm getting better at it. Less mistakes, I guess. But you know that hedging is, I mean, they've got to find a better way to kind of, you know, flag those hedgings, because sometimes, you know, we make errors, right? As a trader, you sell one more extra contract, and that apparently is going to be hedging, right? Because you got now negative contract on your trade. And if you're in other trades and that's plus contract, you know, you're kind of hedging now at this point. So, all right. So here, let's take a look at tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow, what do we have? Tomorrow we have, we've got, we don't really have anything tomorrow either, hey? We got Canadian GDP. I don't know if that's going to move the needle. We got US retail inventories. That's not going to matter at all. So we don't really have anything tomorrow, guys. So, yeah. So tomorrow's nothing there. So, yeah, we don't really have any news come out tomorrow morning. So that's maybe a good thing, I guess. So I'm on a West Coast. Oh, well, not a West Coast. I mean, 1 second. What is up with this? It's like getting a little pullback here. I don't know what it's gonna be. Yeah, it's honestly nothing. Absolutely nothing. I mean, we pushed all the way from 29,900 area into the 30,300 area. So, right. So, any given pullback, we're getting a bounce anyways, right? So, I'm going to try to long on a pullback here. That's what I'm going to try to do and see if I can actually save this account back to life again. Look, I mean, look at that, guys. Every little pullback, we're getting a bit of a pop. So, $13, $23, $23. What's going on, Min-Max? Need a kimchi slap? Don't worry, bro. Coming over. Coming over. Oh yeah, sorry, man. It's Take Profit Trader is 30% off right now. It's not 40%. 1 second. I did fix that though. Oh yeah, no, I didn't. No, sorry. Yeah. Sorry, I got it fixed. Thank you for letting me know, brother. Thank you so much. Okay, so wow, look how dirty this price action is right now, guys. This is no bueno. Okay. Choppy. Choppy. All right, so what's the plan for tomorrow, guys? Everybody, do you guys have some serious accounts leading to a big fat payout tomorrow? I'm just a little in trouble, I would say. Well, I wouldn't say trouble, but I mean, I'm just a little concerned about my alpha accounts that I thought I passed, but apparently I just made too much profit on those accounts because of that Memorial Day. Damn, guys. I thought each day was gonna be a day on its own, but then you're combining 2 days, and I've made a lot of profits on those accounts, so no bueno. Apex funded got smoked today. Only $300 drawdown. I mean, yeah, and that's tough. You know, when you have only about $300 drawdown, you're almost almost better off either try to swing trade overnight with a couple micros and see if we can actually creep that up. You know, say you have a good chance of making that 300 to maybe $8 to $1,000 drawdown, or try to YOLO during a CPI or PPI. It's getting slowly cooked. Min max infinity, but you still have lots of funded accounts, bro. You're doing fine. You're doing just fine. How's your live account with Apex going on right now? Rod William, you're suffering from success. You're suffering from success. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? Full port silver, $300? No way, man. You can't. What are you gonna do with $300 trading silver and porting silver? I don't know if that's gonna work out nicely for you. Oh, I see. You did mention you made too much profit. Yeah, with the alpha features. I don't like spending too much time with Evals, and on top of that, you know, when you have the consistency issue, that really drives you crazy, right? Sometimes. Guys, man, what the heck is going on with this market? Did somebody just... It's not moving at all. It's just 10 points now. This is a classic Globex long time ago. We're getting it back again, guys. We need more volatility. Crazy. I am going to scale into my trade on a long side, but in order to do that, I need to see this market get above 330, right? That's what I'm gonna have to see, guys. And I'm gonna try to hop on a long, try to kind of scale into my trade, but I need to see this thing get above 330 though. Like clearly, get through this VWAP, of course, the first thing, but ultimately, I need to see this thing get above 330. And then maybe we try to break to the upside, right? Right, and then try. And maybe all-time high again, guys. Who knows what this market's going to do. Guys, the previous all-time high is 379. 379. And the previous high of the day was 365. So, right? So, of course, we're going to have to get above 330 first. And then once we pierce through that, maybe we continue moving higher into the 365. That's the retest of the previous high. And then the all-time high, the previous all-time high was at 379. Oh, what did I lie? No, that's right. 379 was the previous all-time high. It looks like maybe we're trying to get into that level. Actually, no. So let's see, guys.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
So I'm with
canceled.
4 contracts now. I'm gonna try to see if I can actually
Order
reload.
submitted.
If I end up pulling back here, I'm gonna try to add some more and look for that break to the upside.
Order submitted.
I've got 4 contracts now. I'm down about $1,000 as you speak, as well. Yeah, I have 5 funded accounts with funded next, and I haven't traded those accounts. I did trade 3 of them, so I have like $600-700. But I haven't been actively trading those accounts, so I'm gonna try to trade tomorrow. All those funded accounts tomorrow morning. I may try to copy trade 1 or 2 accounts at a time as well. And see how it goes, because hopefully we get some sort of volatility tomorrow. You know, it's gonna be an interesting day, because we've literally pushed so much. How much can we just keep pushing? You know what I mean? Like, it's just
Order filled.
Order filled.
like, what the hell is going on now, guys? What the hell? Really? I don't know what this market's gonna try to do, but incredible. And then, as when looks like it's gonna just really dump, you're gonna get a 30-40 points candle to the upside. I don't know. It just kind of feels dumpy today, though. Just kind of feels like today could be the night where we start to see some sort of a sell-off kind of taking place. But again, I mean, we really had a chance to kind of break it down underneath the 276. We never really did. Definitely getting a little interesting. You think it's gonna hold? Real crypto? Okay. God, man. All right, guys, we are here. We're also gonna go ahead and do our giveaway as well. Thank you guys for your patience. To all of you. Nikkei is crashing, really? What was Nikkei again? What was the ticker symbol for Nikkei, guys? I forgot what it was. Is it NKD? I think it's NKD if I'm not wrong. NKD? Okay, it's NKD. Oh. I'm not on the right contract. Oh my god, this is even worse. NKD, what is it gonna be? Z6? I can't even see it. I think NKD M is right. Wow, look at this ugly. Oh my god, nobody's trading NKD, hey? Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at those dots. It's like a universe. This NKD is pulling back though, but nothing truly that significant by any means. All right, so back into the, I mean, the ES is kind of holding. It looks like we're looking to try to break this area though. That's
Order filled.
oh see. So I've got 6 micros now, and I don't know if looks weak. All right, there we go, guys. We're getting a little pullback here.
Order
filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys. I'm gonna have to try to scale in.
Order
This could be the day. This account's not gonna survive. Maybe we'll see.
Order
filled. Order filled.
Order
Who knows what it's gonna be?
Order submitted.
Man, been a tough one. I guess I kind of feel like, you know, I've been trying to long on a pullbacks. Probably would have been better if I tried to short on a bounce, right? So I think I may have been on the wrong side, if you will, which is fine as long as I can survive this market. Right, so I'm gonna try to do is place some limit orders here.
Order submitted.
Okay, so here we are, and then let's quickly go ahead and do our giveaway as well here.
Order submitted.
Well, it looks tough. It looks tough. It looks tough. All right, I'm gonna still stick to this trade that I'm long right now, and then let's go ahead and do the giveaway right now, guys. I'm gonna close the entries. Okay, I'm gonna pick the winner as well. You got 45 seconds to let me know that you are here with us. All right. All right. I'm gonna pick the winner, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Let's go, baby. The Willy 2256, guys. 45 seconds. Let me know if you are here. Willy 2256. Willy 2256. It's Take Profit Trader account giveaway here, guys. Willy, let me know if you are here with us. You mean get out of my trade? Well, I'm just gonna leave it there. Just kind of feels stumpy, but just leave it there for now. Oh, we already have okay, so Willy is here. So Willy, I'm gonna have to have you hop onto the Discord, right? Send me a friend request so I can go ahead and take care of your account. I'm gonna share my Discord link to you guys, just so you guys can hop on to our Discord.
Order filled.
Oh man, we're getting a pullback here, guys. Not looking good. This just kind of feels like we are breaking down, guys. Discord link is right there on the main chat. Okay, so that's where we at. Dicey. I'm gonna have to port this, unfortunately. I'm not this isn't gonna be like, you know, $100 trade. This is gonna be at like $1,000 trade now. So let's say if we end up pulling back here, I'm still kind of expecting, the reason I'm doing this is because I'm still kind of expecting, say we pull back here, we end up getting a bounce, right? So the only question is, am I going to be able to survive this trade as when we get a pullback into the 270s? That's the retest of the initial low. Or do we... I would like to see this thing maybe get a quick flush down into the 280s and then maybe get a bounce, right? Just like the way it did previously. So that kind of gives me a chance to get back onto this trade. This 300 area serving as a support. So yeah, so it almost kind of feels like a support, a minor little support. But the more we try to retest that level, we could break, you know, at some point, right? So that's what I'm kind of a little concerned about. And once we break that after retesting that several times, this could go, right? But we also need a strong volume though, right? Well, it's not a significant level by any means, but we still need a volume to kind of break it down, right? Looks pretty weak. A wicked dump. I mean, well, it's only 18. Well, I wouldn't say it's only 18. It's actually a lot. 18 contracts, considering it's, you know, if this is going to be 30 to 50 points pullback, then it's actually a lot, right? So, yeah. So if that's what it's going to be, if we end up pulling back 50 points from here down into the 260s, then I will be in trouble, yeah. So I placed a whole bunch of limited orders right between 300 to 322. so if we get a nice little pop, a lot of my limit orders are actually going to get filled, but this is crazy though. We'll get volume in 6 minutes. Oh man, guys, we got Tokyo too. Well, yeah, we know what it's gonna be now. We know what it's gonna be. Incredible. Yeah, this is a test account. Yeah. Yeah, no, I wouldn't be doing this on my funded account. Yeah. I do have a lot of orders. Yeah, this is spider web. We call this a little spider web. Oh, it's still not okay. I mean, at the end of the day, you know, it's whether it's an eval or a funded account. Well, yeah, I mean, it makes a difference, but you know, I still feel bad, like, you know, losing an account too. So well, it does make a big difference. You're right. Oh. You know, you only need a small little glitch that's gonna turn, you know, your gray trades or whatever it may be, green trades turn into red pretty quickly, right? So the way it kind of started here tonight was, you know, I pressed the exit button to get out of my trades early. Did not exit my trade. It took a few seconds. And that few seconds, the market dumped. And instead of losing only $300, I ended up losing $1,200 to start. So that kind of racked, you know, that momentum, if you will. So that just literally took everything out. You only buy an account per month at most. Real scripted, that's great. You know, you do have a rule there, so that's good. If you have a bullet, that's fine. Yeah. You're also waiting for it to crash like that, then rise. Yo. Tokyo's coming. Oh, guys, we got only about 4 more minutes to go. I don't know what this Tokyo's gonna do, though. Okay, just staying a little patient. We'll see how this thing kind of plays out, guys. back into the 300 area. We dipped into the 395 and got it back all the way into 300. So let's see if we get a little more juice to the upside. So let's see if my limit orders get filled to the upside. Hopefully it does. Tokyo is about to rip face. Oh my dear guys, I completely forgot about Tokyo again. What am I gonna do now? What am I gonna do? Tokyo in about a minute. Tokyo, guys. Am I gonna get smoked with Tokyo coming into an action? Guys, I'm gonna zoom in. I'm gonna zoom in, guys, just to kind of how many orders do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I got lots of orders. Guys, man, Tokyo in about how many seconds now? 20. Okay, 10 more seconds to go. Oh my god. No. No.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Well, looks like I'm gonna be dead. It looks like I'm gonna be dead now. I did zoom in on this, but not looking bueno, guys. Not looking bueno, man. Same thing, same repetition. Same repetition. Tokyo just finds a way to dump. Well, it's not necessarily a dump. Not as much as it did. I think it was last week when it dumped like literally 200 points right at the start. That's crazy. This kind of feels a little better, but looks like we are breaking down. Or do we get a bounce? Oh my god, I don't like this. Me not liking this at all, everybody. Price is holding so far. Maybe. Maybe. No, yes, maybe. Goodbye. We'll find out, everybody. Man, but we're just like we're hitting all-time high all the freaking day. You know what I mean? Like yesterday, Globex hit all-time high. This morning we hit all-time high again. Like every day, it's like an all-time high over and over again. Like, will there be a day where we finally really break it down? Do we have a day? And is it gonna be tonight? Is it gonna be tonight? We're gonna hit, you know.
Order.
Are we gonna
Order
be?
filled.
Are we gonna be all day red tonight into tomorrow morning? And is it gonna be a sell-off? Oh dear, look at that, guys. I've only got $500 drawdown now, so if you end up pulling back on this bad boy, man, I'll be doomed. Dear. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to say a little farewell to this account. I had a lot of fun with you. Great to know you for about 4 days. So I obviously had you for about 4 days, and it was a lot of fun. We tried our level best. I got your account to over $1,800, and we ended up giving all of those profits back. And I am no longer see you at all. So, you know, we may have to do a little bit of a farewell party here too. Depends. I'll try to remember your account number. Ending with 466. All right. It was great knowing you, and maybe, who knows? I may see you again someday.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order-
Order filled. Order filled.
Ah!
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order filled.
Crazy, crazy. Wow. Crazy. You've got to be kidding, guys.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order. Order.
Order
Order
filled.
submitted.
Order filled.
Order.
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 Order filled.
Order. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Nothing's gonna save my love for you. You honor my life, my life. I love you. One thing you can be sure of. All right, guys, and that we had to let it go, guys. We had to let it go. Oh my God! Today is just really annoying, guys. Right at the start, today was absolutely annoying. Unfortunately, it's gone. But do I want to be getting into some other trades though? I want to try to see if I can actually get into.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Fuck me, man. Look at that. Is this going to be an all-night pullback here? Is that what it's going to try to do? I just want to kind of make sure that I'm not in trouble in this bad boy. Damn, guys. Nothing's going to save your account, yeah. Well, we tried. It just did not work out. So it's gone. I hate it. I hate when it's gone like that, you know? Man, that just a grind down. Like, what the heck is going on? All right, guys, I'm long here. I'm long here at 283. Yeah, it's just a messed up price action right now, guys. I just don't like this price action at all, right? It's just, I don't like it at all, to be honest. And it just kind of feels like we are breaking down too. I agree, but we tap the 270s again. Yeah, it was a tough one. I mean, you know, it is what it is. We're gonna have to kind of move on. So, trading my pro right now, long from 283, and I've got my stop. I got a hard stop here, right at about 271. So not sure if we could break it down to, or we try to retest the pivot here at 295. The VWAP here at 308 as well. So maybe let's see if we get a bounce back. Looks weak though. It just kind of feels like dumping here tonight. Just maybe I'm on the wrong side. That's really what it ended up happening. A constant rejection of that VWAP, and eventually found a way to get a pullback. Just went a little more to kind of shake me out. All right, so I went long. I've
Order
got
submitted.
oh my god, look at that. Crazy. What the hell's going on right now? Look at that wick that we actually got right now, guys. That's a 20 points.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, I'm gonna try to hold this. I'm gonna try to hold this for a little bit. Let's see how this thing kind of plays out. This is gonna be my last trade of the day, and we'll shut it off, and we'll come back tomorrow morning.
Order submitted.
So I'm long with my pro count. I'm just kind of waiting to see what it's gonna be here. 286 is where we at. Do we get a rejection of this level and kind of pull back here? God. Okay, and that's that did not survive. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding. Do we break it down? It just looks like we are trying to break down. Do I want to try to short this? I don't know. I haven't thought about trying to short this market right now, to be honest. Not looking good. So yeah, I'm still long with the pro funded account right now. I've got 4 contracts here. 4 contracts, yeah. Oh. Just kind of feels like we're breaking down.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Alright, guys, I went long at 281. I'm looking for that little bounce, potentially back into 300 area. Maybe try to reclaim that. Yes, the market looking pretty weak, but oh man, this is. We are barely trying to get into. We can barely hold 285 here. It's pretty crazy if you really think about this. Oh man, I'm barely trying to hold this. Barely. Having a tough time trying to hold this area too. This may not end well. Better get a bounce right now, guys. Better get a bounce right now. Rip through this thing.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Okay, so I'm down to 3 now.
Order canceled.
I'm down to 3.
Order submitted.
I may try to take one more off the table right. Oh no, man, I'm just gonna hold it. 1 second.
Order canceled.
I'm down to 3. Try to hold this. Moving my stop to 276 area. All right, so one more. I just need one more push. One more push, potentially, to take us back into the VWAP. All right, I'm gonna try to see if we can take it to the VWAP, guys. If we end up pulling back here, I'm gonna get stopped out at about 276. That's the previous retest. Yes, I ended up blowing one eval. Yeah, today. All right, guys, we're into the 290. Then let's see if we can get one more push. Maybe we have a little bit of a reversal here on a 15 minutes chart on the left hand side. Maybe potentially take us back into the VWAP. We'll see, guys. I've got to stop here right at around 276. So if we end up pulling back, then I'm going to get stopped out, right? So I hope this isn't going to be a start of a bigger pullback in the market. Maybe we get a little bounce back into the VWAP before we start to get some sort of a pullback, maybe, right? You know what I mean? Like that, and then kind of pull back later on. Maybe that's what it's going to try to do. Yes, Casey Courtney, the giveaway is already done. Yeah. Oh, Real Crypto, what is up, man? Kazumak, what up? Current leaders are breaking out structure. Oh, I see. Perfect play. What is up, man? Why are you going against your 5 minutes head and shoulders stop? Oh, do we have? Is it? I don't see. Well, I don't know. I don't see the head and shoulders right now. Am I maybe looking at the wrong chart? I don't see that at the moment. We've got to get above this. We got to get above this 300 now, guys, man. Nice if we can actually pierce through that. All right. I'm gonna try to focus on my Billinox funded accounts tomorrow morning, and also funded next accounts. The Tradify funded accounts, I want to stay away from that trading because, oh man, the drawdowns is just so tiny. You know what I mean? It's especially with this sort of a market environment. I've got to be in like one micro. Oh shoot, guys, one second. We're getting some sort of a price action. Volatility kind of stepping in, getting a little bounce, man. Would have been nice if he was in my last trade. If I was able to hold into that trade, would have been nice. So I'm down to two accounts. Down to two contracts here. And I would say my stop now would be, my stop 285. That's where I'm going to be. And then my goal is to get to daily payout tomorrow on this take profit trader account. So I think it's going to be a fun morning. I'd love to see you guys there as well, because I got Billinox funded accounts I want to trade tomorrow, because I need to count this a day to request the payout tomorrow. Because every Friday you're able to request the payout with the Billinox. I'm going to do that with 3 accounts tomorrow. And then also I want to see if I can take a daily payout on my Take Profit Trader Pro account as well here. Getting pretty close. I've got $200. All right, so I made about $100 here. So maybe I just need that $300. So hard to get $300. It's just have been one of the tough ones to make. It's crazy. All right, so here we are getting a little pullback here, rejection of the pivot down from that 295 into the 289. Do I want to get rid of this? Do I want to get rid of this? Do I want to? I kind of feel like this could be a little bit of a fake to the downside. I'm going to try to hold this into the 279s. So what time is going to be the stream tomorrow morning? Tomorrow morning stream is going to be at 10:30 a.m. Eastern time is where I'm going to be live tomorrow morning. I also have the... Oh, 1 second. Man, what a week. What a week.
Order filled.
Oh my god, guys. This is just really annoying price action. Right? This is really annoying price action, guys. Look at those wicks. A good 50 points wicks we're getting. Bro, long in a bear flag. Imco. Japan dump. Yeah, that's right. Japan is definitely dumping. Vinny Lee in the house. What is up, brother? We are kind of chopping here too. Oh, a perfect play. You're looking at the ES. Okay, I see. Nat Sir, StockTiger, what happens to your account balance on Lucid when you are transitioning to live? Oh, what do you mean your account balances? You mean on your SIM funded accounts? Those are all get gone. Like they shut down your SIM accounts. As soon as you move to live, they shut down your accounts. And they'll pay you back, you know, the accounts, the SIM funded accounts that they close. It's like, it looks like it's about to puke. YouTube 신청님, it's funny that he answers me in English too. Bro, are you typing in Korean or are you typing in English? Because if you take a look, like I'm gonna share my screenshot right now. All right, I'm gonna show you my Discord right here. I'm gonna show it to you right now. Look, this is what I'm getting right now. You see? This is what I'm reading. You know what I mean? This is what it says. So I don't know if you're typing in Korean. I have no idea. But anyways. But that's what I get on my chat. Just to give you a little perspective. It wasn't like that before. I don't know why. It's all of a sudden it's auto translating into English, I guess. I don't know. Oh, such a bad YouTuber. You have auto translated on Tiger? I have no idea, bro. I don't think I have that though. I haven't touched anything. It's weird. All right, guys. I think, you know, I'm just gonna shut it off. I need I would say $4 more to try to get to a daily payout, and I'm gonna try to do that tomorrow morning. I think it's just no point in trying to get into a lot of trades right now. It's too slow, too what do you call this? Very unpredictable price action so far. So I think I almost kind of feel better off to kind of wait. Oh, guys, look at that. Look at that bounce. That's crazy, man. This is just so volatile, right? I mean, not volatile. Too much up and downs. I think that's what we're getting in a very tight range. It's really tough to do that. Crazy. You see Korea, really? Juicy's... Oh, really? You see that in Korean? Oh, my God. Really? I don't know, man. I don't... Yeah. So, I'm down one... and I'm up on the other, but it's only $60. Nothing truly that crazy. But I think it's going to be an important day tomorrow because I would love to get into a daily payout tomorrow using this account. And then we also have to do Billanox accounts too. Yeah, guys, we'll do some celebration tomorrow morning at 10:30 a.m. in the morning Eastern time, guys. So maybe hopefully I get get to see you guys back again tomorrow. For now, I think it's that time of the day. I've gotta get going. Thank you so much, everybody. Well, that was definitely a lot of fun here. Holy, what a dump in the market right at the start, guys. Damn. Definitely caught me off guard. We'll get it back tomorrow, guys. We'll come back stronger tomorrow morning. So until then, everyone, have a great rest of the night. We'll see you guys back tomorrow. Everybody, love you guys. Take care. God bless everybody. Thank you. Peace. Bye-bye, guys. Lucky Mon, Black Mamba. Don't do it in the house. 유튜브 신천님. 다음에 또 봐요. 내일 봐요, 내일. Alright, everybody. Have a great day. Rest of the night. Thank you so much. Adios, amigos. Take care. Peace. Bye-bye.